We, the staff of Leading Age Washington, are taking the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge and do hereby agree to donate as well. We would like to challenge
Larry Minix, Leading Age National, you and your executive team. And also Leading Age New York, Jim Klein, Dan Heim, Kathy Gormley, gather your troops.
I would like to challenge Leading Age Colorado and Leading Age California.
And I would like to challenge Leading Age Pennsylvania and Leading Age Oregon. You have to accept this challenge
Within 24 hours!